So again, our goal is to be close to the joint, right? So I'm just gonna kind of scoop in here like this. I kind of have myself wedged in here. I want to make sure that I'm going at a right angle, that I'm going along with that joint there, so I kind of can feel for the radius a little bit and the ulnar a little bit, and I just make sure I'm right there on that joint. I'm gonna come in right here, and then I just distract. So what do you guys think I could do to get more distraction on him? You see what's happening here? Yeah, stabilizes humerus, right? So I could use that belt, you know, put it underneath him if I had somebody here. If I'm strong and in shape, and you know that I'm doing a little scoop, so that means I'm doing a little distraction this way first, right? And then I'm coming out. So I can just come right here and stabilize him.
Are you pulling towards you or up a little bit?
I'm kind of coming here, right angle. So
Yeah.
just straight distraction or traction, however you want to do that. Now for me, he can tell I can't move him as much here, even though here I'm losing a little bit there. I just take up that slack and then I come in. Okay, but if you're a stronger person, you could stabilize him there and come in and do that. Or I can use my handy dandy bell. Here. And just pull. Okay. Which one feels the most for you?
Yeah, that's a lot more.
A
I
lot
think.
more, yeah. Just because I'm just not that strong anymore, so. I remember I'm not gonna just boom, break up, right? Because we wanna just make sure we're nice and careful with that. The other thing, without the belt, so like, let's say he's got some issues more with flexion. Okay, so he's only like, let's say he can only go about like to here. And we wanna get full up to here. So he's limited here. I could come up in here, and this is where I probably am gonna wanna stabilize. And I can pull up into that flexion and then do my distraction. So I'm going up, putting him into a little bit of flexion, and then doing my distraction. So I'm doing it more in his end range of flexion for him to try and get a little bit more flexion. So I'm getting a little bit more specific. If he was just lacking a little bit of extension, so like maybe that last 10 or 15, which is really hard to get that in an elbow, I could come in here, I can just kind of pull here and do my distraction that way. So then he's now not in the loose pack position anymore, right? So now I'm definitely doing that grade 3, right? I could do grade 1s and 2s to get started, and then I'm gonna come right in there and really try and, okay? All right, so that's just distraction, traction of the joint, grade 1, 2, or 3.